to my channel. This is Stephsgotit. So this is another unboxing. The first unboxing, if you didn't catch it, go back and watch it. I'm telling you, I was so surprised and happy to see it. To see that, what was in that bag, because I didn't know. Alright. Now this I did know, because this I just ordered. Alright, so I love ice cream. My husband and I both love ice cream. And there's a problem though. In the last few years, I seem to have a very low tolerance for dairy products. So I've been trying to find other milks besides white milk, which I was not super fond of anyway. But that also means the ice cream. And my husband and I used to eat big bowls of ice cream every night together. Not the best habit, but it was our time. And we still love ice cream. But I don't like the cramping and the bloating that comes along with it. So I am going to make some ice cream. So I ordered this bowl. It's Sumo. And you can get it in various colors on Amazon. I will put all of the information in the all the details in the description box below, because I did not bring it with me just now to put here on the table. But I just ordered it. It was under 20 bucks. And I will put the link. That's what I'll do. I'll put the link to where I ordered it in the description box below, and then you can go check it out for yourself. You can get them in various colors. There are different kinds, but I've chose this one. I don't remember if someone pointed me in the direction of this one. If it was, it would have been bigger, bolder, better baker. I think that's it. Bigger, bolder baker, bigger, bolder, better baker. Anyway, she has some awesome 3-ingredient natural recipes for ice cream. So I've been dying to try one of her recipes. And also, I have been dying to try to make my own banana ice cream, which basically is bananas. So I've been saving bananas and cutting them up and putting them in layers in the freezer so that I could put them in the food processor and make this ice cream. So let's open this up. We're down to 3 minutes, so let's open this up. Here's your lid. It's white and it says Sumo, and you can see it has a little tab right there, so you can you can see the little indent right there. You lift it up. I'm sorry, the camera's over, the monitor, the computer is over there because I was too lazy to plug it up and put the plug over here. So forgive me for looking back, but it's been that kind of day, so just roll with me. All right, there's a little card in here. It's funny the card is purple. Well, maybe that's their main color. I chose red, so maybe that's their main color is purple. Here's how you and your new Sumo, here's to you and your new Sumo product. So a little information on there. And here's my bowl. It's a beautiful shade of red. And you can, I don't know if you can tell, but this comes loose. So for easy washing, this part comes out. This is what you would put your ice cream in. So you can take that out and wash it. And if you need to, you can wash this too. All right, and it's got a beautiful matching color on the bottom, which is also rubbery. All right, so basically I've already told you how I'm going to use it. I have been, like I said, collecting the ice cream, and I have cut them in little pieces and put them in flat layers on a cookie sheet in the deep freezer. And this just pops back in place really easily. And I am going to take those and the recipe that I have, which is not really a recipe, it's kind of just simple ingredient, one or two ingredients, and I'm going to make some ice cream, and I'm going to come back and show you, because I'm coming off of a migraine and I'm kind of like not really in the mood to turn on a processor or a blender, you know what I mean? So, but I told you I'd put this video up, and we are working on being consistent. So we have this, and I will make the ice cream probably this weekend, and I will video how I make it so that you can see if you want to try it and how this product works. And I'll video you, and I will video me eating a big bowl of it. So there you go. I hope you have a great day. Remember, hun, if you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for stopping by to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Remember, hun, if you are having a good day, help someone else have a good day. It's the small and simple things in life that really makes life worth living. Love and shimmies, babe.